Howdy. So my own car got an own problem. Mechanics still have a car problem. So this morning I come up, try to start to go take my kid to school. Car won't start. Okay. So let's check to see what's wrong. This is the 04, 05 model, and also some of the 06 have the 3.3 liter engine on it. This is a Sienna, okay, second generation one, and it couldn't start, right? So let's check to see what's going on. It could be battery, it could be starter, it could be anything. So let's find out. Now I got this little right here, Bluetooth through my phone to connect in the car, and also have little display here.
Device is connected successfully.
And you see that battery right there reading? Okay. Anytime I turn my car keys on, and it reading right there. It reading right there, 11.5, right? So if you don't have one, hey, let me tell you what. If you don't have one, just buy one, and that helping you, telling you how much juice you have in your battery. So 11.4, that's what it have in there, okay? So anytime you start your car, it turns the number different. If it doesn't start it, you put your keys in there, it will be like that. So it giving you the idea that how much your battery is full or not, you know. So something like this for Bluetooth, and also giving you the idea how strong your battery is, okay? So anything above 11 like that, it should starting fine, and it don't have to be 12 or more to start. So anything over 11 should be able to start, no problem. So let me show you. Put your keys in, and nothing, no click, nothing, okay? So let's go under the hood to see what's up. Okay, to confirm that, I have this light tester, and try to test to see if that's the same as the Bluetooth reading. So according to this right here, 12.2. So 12.2, that's pretty strong, you know, pretty strong to get the car start. So it could be something else, okay? The battery is no problem from this point. I will skip some of the relay and all that stuff right here, okay, and fuse it, because last night I still driving it. So I just part here from last night. So it shouldn't have a fuel blown or relay pop out, because when you drive and you park and you're not touching, you're not doing anything to it. So I assume that I will get rid of that part first, and I will go to knocking down my starter to see if that will start. If I knocking down my starter start, then I know for sure my starter is bad. It on this right here, or many other vehicles will have this problem. You will have the idea, okay? You don't have to be this car or this model only, okay? For in case if you have a 10-15 years old car and you purchase alarm system in there, okay, make sure check your alarm too, because sometimes alarm is crazy. It doesn't start with your car, okay? But in my case, I don't have no alarm system, so it's a straight manufacturer security system. So I'm going to do the starter, and my starter right here you can see better, and the top of the blue right there, that's your solenoid for the starter. So I'm going to hit the start solenoid, and sometimes the solenoid is jammed and it doesn't kick. What I'm going to do, I'm going to pounding on that starter to see it will start. I'm using this right here, my extension, to hit the starter with a hammer, okay? Let me hit it a couple times. Then let me go see it start. What, any clicking sound? Mola! You see that? So this is how you come across on your problem. If you have anything like this, similar problem like this, you know what to do, okay? Because this starter here is been with the car ever since the manufacturer is sell out to the public. So still have the original Toyota starter in there. So on a long time like this, sometimes the starter got worn out the brush, and that's why the brush is not touching it. When you hit like this, the brush jump to connect it, so that's why it's starting. And anytime you have this problem right like this, you can replace it or keep pounding until it doesn't starting no more, then you can replace it. So on this case here, I'm going to leave it for the next couple days to see if that's still doing the same thing. If that's still doing the same thing, then I will replace it. Otherwise, I just keep driving like this because I don't want to waste my money. So anytime that you have this and you come in the morning, you start your car, and you can tell that that is charging 13.7, you know. So it's good to have one of this Bluetooth unit because it's telling you what is your alternator charging or not before you even leave your house, okay? I'm not trying to advertise in the Bluetooth, but I'm just telling you that it's good to have one of this unit here for your own car. And you look at every morning before you leave your house, make sure your alternator is doing the work before you strangle somewhere in the middle of nowhere or the middle of traffic that you have to call a tow truck and that stuff. So, you know, something simple like this and cheap like this is like about $10-12. You can order online and to check on your car every morning, okay? It's like you will have your own mechanic that telling you how much charging you have in your car all the time, okay? And hopefully that little tip like this can help you to, you know, get yourself out of the trouble. Bye bye now. Subscribe please.